Hi, everyone, and welcome back to this course where we learn Fusion 360 together. In this video, I want to show you how the sweep function works. So let me just throw in a quick sketch here. I'm going to add a circle. Then I'm going to use the offset. This will make sense in just a second here. What I'm trying to do is like two cylinders, one inside of the other one. Let me go ahead and offset this one by negative zero point 0.5. That should do it. Let me click finish sketch here and let me zoom in. I'm going to extrude this by 25. Let me go ahead. So when you extrude, it'll hide the sketch. Let me just show the sketch again, and I'm going to extrude the outer one by 20. Now, let me go ahead and add one more thing here really quick. So I'm going to draw another sketch. Let me choose this side here and let me add a rectangular here. So let's just do that. I'm just trying to demo this. What I also need here, I'm going to need a line. So this is going to represent the path. And okay, before I confuse you more, let me explain what I'm doing here. So I have a cylinder inside another one. So you can see here, there is the larger, let me hide my sketches here. Okay, so now you can see there's a cylinder and there's another one inside it. If I show this sketch here, and let me hide the first body. Now I can extrude this and let's just do both sides. By the way, when you extrude, you can extrude on both sides. So instead of doing single side, you can see here I can switch the extrude to two sides. And now I can do, let's say, 10 on this side. Actually, I don't want 10. Let's try 20 on this side. And then on the other side, let's just do 10. Actually, I can just do 5 if I really want to here. So that should be good. And the other line here, if I show you the sketch here, this line is going to represent the path that we are going to use for the sweep function here. So let's go ahead and show the body one more time. Now this is what we have. And the way sweep works, imagine that you have, let's say, this cylinder, the tiny one, the inner cylinder, and you want it to go inside this outer one. You obviously would have to make a cut for this knob or for this thing that's like going out, right? So, how would you do that? In this case, you can use the sweep function. So, the sweep function, I'm going to select that, select sweep. Now we need to select the surface. So, it would be this one here. And I need a path that this surface can follow. So I'm going to choose this line that I drew over here for the path. And let me switch here. You can see there's a sweep menu. I'm going to do a single path. And here I select my profile. Next, I'm going to select the path, which is the line. And as you can see, it's already cutting through. But it's cutting through both bodies. Under here, under object, it says which object you want it to cut through. I'm going to deselect one, so I don't want it to cut through one. I don't want it to cut through three as well. I just want to cut two, which is the outer cylinder. Now, if I click OK, by the way, there is also taper angle that you can specify, also twist angle. Here also you can do the orientation, which is, do you want it to be perpendicular or do you want it to be parallel to the path? So in this case, it wouldn't work as a parallel because the line is perpendicular. So we have to do perpendicular. Let me click OK. And here, let me just go orbit around this. And you can see we've achieved this cut. So now imagine if I were to push this tiny inner cylinder through, let me do one more thing here. Let me just hide my sketches. And if I were to push this cylinder, the inside one, through the larger one that's outside, we can push it through and this would fit, and it would actually go through it, and you can twist to lock it in, for example. So if you want to design something like that, that's what the sweep function does. I hope this made sense, and this is it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.